Hey, this is Lady C. Have you ever left a review for something and thought, is anyone even paying attention to this? Well, let me tell you about a time my feedback actually made a difference and the surprising twist that came with it. So, I was reviewing this green screen kit from Amazon Vine, and it came with two lights. Awesome, right? But here's the thing. The cords on the light boxes were ridiculously short. I mean, unless you're hugging a wall outlet, it was practically useless. Well, naturally, I gave the kit 3 stars in my review, explaining the issue. And guess what? The manufacturer reached out to me. They actually said, "You're right. We're going to fix this." They even thanked me for my suggestion and offered me a free upgrade as a reward. Now, I don't know about you, but that caught me off guard. I mean, I know they were hoping I'd update my review after the upgrade, but here's the catch. Amazon Vine has strict rules. As reviewers, we can't be influenced by companies or accept rewards to change our feedback. So to honor that agreement, I didn't reply to the manufacturer. But it made me stop and think. I'm spending a lot of time writing detailed reviews, helping these companies improve their products. They're able to innovate and make better versions based on my input, which feels great. But here's the kicker. I'm not getting paid for my time, and I'm still responsible for the taxes on the free products that I receive. That doesn't feel quite fair, does it? I mean, my feedback led to real change, but what's the value of my time and effort here? So, what do you think? If you were in my shoes, would you feel like this was a fair deal? I mean, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you've ever had a similar experience, I want to know all about it. Let's chat. All right. This has been Lady C. I want to thank you for being in my audience, and I'll see you on the next one.